Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, well, we had two kind of negative videos of Windows 11. Sometimes we need some positive stuff. Well, there is one very nice positive decision that Microsoft has changed. Now, in the latest build for the dev channel, Microsoft has backtracked on the default browser button. So, you guys remember, and you guys that have the standard version of Windows 11, if you choose a browser, you had to choose each file one by one. Well, it's not for everything. So if you actually go to the Settings app and you go into the App section, Default Apps. Now, for most apps, still, there's no default button. And I don't know if they're going to add it for any app. Let's see here. If I go to, let's try Paint. So for example, if I click Paint, now it's, an app by app thing that I have to go to. There's no, default. I have to choose which default I want depending on the type, the file type. And of course, for the browser, that created a stir because if you wanted to install Chrome, for example, and you just didn't have the possibility to have default except by going through all the options one by one, look at this. Make Google Chrome your default browser has appeared. Set default. So this is new. It wasn't there. It's not there. Don't go looking for it in your standard, Windows 11 yet. But that means it's coming. So Microsoft has decided to listen to us. And yes, default browser is possible now. Only in the latest dev channel build, 22509. But that means it's probably coming to Windows 11 standard eventually in the next weeks or months. So let's hope the quicker the better. But let's just add one more comment, Microsoft. Do it for every program. Don't just decide to do it for the browser and that's it. Do it for every program the user wants to have as a default, depending on what you do on their PCs. Please. So that's the good news of the day. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.